Welcome back, guys. I'm Amber with Helping the Good People. So I was hesitant on whether or not to upload the videos of me doing this pour with the blow dryer. I wound up doing 2 coats because I wasn't happy with the first one. So I just added a second layer. So beautiful. I did it as a pair, side by side. I used white as my base coat in the back and 4 colors, which were dark blue, turquoise, let's see, dark purple, and yellow. If I decide to upload the videos, I can always mute the area where I'm using the blow dryer. Let's look at it from different. It's almost dry. There's one more I want to show you before I let you go. This is what happens when I have leftover paint. I took another canvas that I had that was fairly used and blobbed all kinds of paint on here. But look at all the imagery. This would be great for detailing.